to your hands and knees with the wrists under the shoulders and the knees under the hips. Push back, raising the hips and straightening the legs. Ground down into the fingertips. Let the head hang and move the shoulder blades onto the back. Rotate the thighs inward. Keep the tail high and sink your heels towards the floor. Pedal your feet by bending one knee and straightening out the other leg. Repeat several times to warm up the hamstrings. When ready, push both heels to the floor or keep knees slightly bent.